Well, right now, we're waiting for the Supreme Court's decision on the potential TikTok ban after Trump's stunning reversal. The president-elect now wants to keep the popular social media platform alive after trying to ban the platform during his first term. He's urging the Supreme Court to press pause on the potential TikTok ban. In a legal filing, Trump says delaying the proposed ban will let his administration resolve the issue through political means. News Nation's Libby Dean joins us now from D.C. Libby, what can you tell us about Trump's reasoning behind this reversal?
Well, Anna, we've seen Trump's stance on TikTok really evolve here, as you just mentioned, since he was last in office. Because during his first time, he was okay with seeing TikTok go, and now he's leading the effort to keep TikTok from being banned. Now, Trump urging the Supreme Court here to pause a law banning the popular app nationwide. Many of our viewers likely have it on their phones now, but right now, TikTok's owner, ByteDance, is required to sell to an American company, an American owner, by January 19th, and that is the day before Trump returns to the White House. Now, if that doesn't happen, they would face an effective ban. And this issue causing the ban here in the U.S., national security and the collection of users' data. That is the big concern. But Trump's lawyers filing an amicus brief with the Supreme Court, Trump asking the justices in that brief to delay so he can negotiate a resolution here that would allow the Supreme Court to stay out of this and not rule it on this ban. Now, Trump's former chief of staff, Mick Mulvaney, says Trump may not be able to accomplish that negotiation that he's striving for, trying to halt this ban. Let's listen.
This sounds like it's simply a request to keep this on the table so he can use it as leverage in his discussions with the Chinese. If the ban goes into effect, there's going to be very little he can do to sort of undo it.
The Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on January 10th. That is just 10 days before Trump returns to the White House. Anna?
Yep, he wrote a book, The Art of the Deal, and he's hoping he can get something done with it. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.